Hello guys, welcome back to Crawler's Bug Farm. Today I'm going to be showing you how to start raising mealworms. Okay, let's start the video now. Okay guys, let me just go ahead and show you the basic stuff that you'll need to start raising the mealworms. Okay, let's go. Okay, what you'll need, basically you'll need like 2 to 3 1 square foot drawers. Then you'll also need about 1 container of dry oats, like one like decent sized container of dry oats. Then you'll need some kind of like vegetables or fruit, something like that. So like we use baby carrots for our food, for our beetle and worm food. And then you can't forget the worms. So now let me actually get to the setup part. Alright, let's go. Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do, you want to get your oatmeal and then just lay a thin layer down inside the container. Well, the tub, whatever you're using, the square foot. So let me do that real quick. Oh yeah, just make sure it's like a thin layer. It's okay if there's some holes. It doesn't really matter if there is. So next thing you want to do, you want to add your worms, your mealworms. Let me do that too. Oh yeah, so I added a few worms like you can see over here and around. So next thing you want to do, you want to get some baby carrots. Let me just grab one from right here real quick. I would say add about a carrot for every 5 worms. So let's say you have, like I have like 5 in here. So I would only have to have 1 carrot, which I have right here. Oh yeah, and this drawer can also be used for the pupa too. And I'll show you what those look like. They look kind of like little aliens, kind of like this weird thing right here. But yeah, so these can stay in here with the worms, but then eventually they're going to change into beetles. Then you have to move them to the other drawer. I'll show you how to set that one up too. Alright guys, so I cleared all this stuff out. So what you need to do now for the beetles, so once the pupa change into beetles like I have in here, there's a beetle right over here. Let me try to find it. I can't see. Oh, here it is. So there's a beetle right here. You would just throw it in there. You just put it in the drawer because these were the pupa to start out with. Then it changed into the beetle. So now just add a carrot. Add a carrot for about the same, every 5 to 10 beetles, you would add a carrot. And then, I only put 1 in here for right now, I'm going to move it later. But, yeah, that's basically it for the beetles. Now let me just share with you some extra stuff that you'll need to know. Okay guys, you can use these mealworms or as beetles. I would say use the mealworms or the pupa, because the beetles are what lay the eggs and stuff. So, you can use the worms, you can use them for basically almost anything. You can use them pets, reptile, pet food. You can use them for fishing bait. You can use them for about anything. So, yeah. Alright guys, so with the darkling beetles, so they have to mate and stuff before they can start laying eggs. Just make sure you remember that. They have to mate. They don't produce asexual or anything. They do have to mate. Another thing is that they lay 500 eggs apiece as beetles. The females do. 500 eggs for each female beetle. Alright guys, the last thing I'm going to tell you all before I end the video right there, I am going to let you all know they live 3 months as a worm. Then in between that and the beetle stage, they go through pupa for about a week or 2. Then once they change to beetle, they live for another 3 months. So a full 6-month lifespan for each of them. Okay guys, well I guess that's how I'm going to end the video. So I hope you liked the video. So that's how you start raising mealworms. Alright guys, see you next time. Bye.